Should toilets always be sealed to the floor with silicone even in residential homes? Toilet flange integrity and wax ring compression are primary, but sealing the toilet base with clear silicone adds a simple barrier against leaks, moisture migration, and microbial growth. When installing or resealing a toilet, first confirm the flange is level and the wax ring or wax-free seal is correctly centered. If the flange is recessed, use a flange extender or an extra thick wax seal so bolts do not compress the ring unevenly. Tighten the closet bolts evenly until the bowl is snug, but do not over-tighten, which can crack the porcelain or distort the seal. If the bowl shifts as you tighten, stop, remove the bolts, and reset with a new ring. After confirming a watertight internal seal by filling and flushing the tank and checking for leaks at the base, clean the toilet footprint area with isopropyl alcohol to remove oils and debris so silicone adheres reliably. Use a high-quality clear bathroom-grade silicone sealant that is mold-resistant and rated for potable water exposure around fixtures. Apply a continuous bead around the base, smooth it with a damp finger or a finishing tool, and remove excess immediately. Allow the sealant to cure for the manufacturer recommended period before allowing regular cleaning or direct water exposure to ensure a durable bead. Common mistakes include relying solely on the sealant to stop leaks when the actual wax or mechanical seal has failed, so always test the internal seal first and replace a compromised wax ring before sealing. Another frequent error is over-tightening the closet bolts to compensate for a poor flange condition, which can fracture the porcelain or create an uneven seat. Address a damaged or low flange with a proper repair kit or spacer instead of forcing the bowl down. People also apply the sealant before confirming there are no hidden leaks from the tank, supply line, or flange. Wait to seal until several flush cycles have been observed and no water shows at the base, because removing cured silicone to fix a hidden leak is messy and can damage floor finishes. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and for contractors to find work that matches their skills and availability. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical tips, ask project-specific questions, and share real-world solutions related to toilet installation and sealing.